In this video, I will show you how to install the Dynaneo Tipmatic synchronization rod as well as how to correctly adjust the trigger distance. There are two variants of the Dynaneo slide. One is the soft close slide, and the other is the Tipmatic slide for opening drawers without handles. In the Tipmatic version of the Dynaneo slide, you have the option to use a synchronization rod. I will show you how to install the rod and correctly adjust the trigger distance. To start, we insert the first adapter into the slide. Please make sure that you can see a small marker on the adapter itself as well as a second marker on the slide. It is important that these markers are aligned with one another. Insert the adapter here. Here we have the arrows and here is the small notch, and they must align with each other. We will now install the second adapter onto the synchronization rod. You will find that the shape of the synchronization rod fits into the adapter. Insert the synchronization rod into the adapter and then close the adapter once again. Now, we are able to insert the synchronization rod into the slide. Once again, check the alignment beforehand. Insert the rod into the adapter on the other side and close the adapter. Now, let's test the system. To do this, pull out the slides and place the drawer on top. The drawer can be opened handle-free by applying a light amount of pressure. The system also works without the synchronization rod. However, with the use of the synchronization rod, the trigger range is increased. This means that I can also press the drawer all the way on the right-hand side and it will open at the full length. This is a particularly helpful feature for wide drawers or those with high fronts. The trigger distance is already preset to 3.5 mm. This preset has been made to ensure that the system can be put into action from the moment it has been installed. You can make these adjustments continuously using these two adjustment screws here. You can adjust them both up to -1 mm or +4 mm. That makes a range of 2.5 to 7.5 mm. In addition, if you turn these adjustment screws to the right on both sides, you will increase the system's trigger distance. This means that the gap on the side becomes larger. Turning the screws back to the left will reduce the gap. Now, the trigger distance, or the gap on the side, has been made smaller again. Finally, check whether it is possible to pull the slide forwards. This is done to make sure that the drawer has also been locked in the correct position. Now, the system has been made ready for use and the drawer can be opened without the need for handles. You will find further useful information and links to our products in the description for this video, including our instructions on how to install the Dynaneo slide. If you have any questions about this product or others, then write them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I wish you all the best and hope you enjoy carrying out your projects.